Hey y'all, it's Kia, and if you want to see how I made this ombre multicolored denim fringe top, then stay tuned. I got you. Let's get started. So you want to start out with some jeans that are a little too big for you because this is going to be the base of our project. And I used about 9 to 10 pairs jeans, and I thrifted them all. So just go to the thrift store and get some cheap jeans. The bigger the better, so you have more material to work with. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut open the crotch of the jeans, okay? This is going to be the bottom part of this is where you're going to put your fringe, right? Your layers of all that fringe denim on, and you're going to wear it as a top. So I just cut down the crotch, and then we're going to try it on to make sure it fits well. And this fit perfect. It's a little bit baggy on you, so that way it can go over your head and you're good. Now it's just time to cut up some denim. I got lighter wash, I got darker wash, and I got medium wash for this project. What I'm doing here is I'm just measuring out how long I kind of want my fringe pieces to be. This is preferable. This is preference. If you want them to be shorter, you cut it and make it shorter. If you want it to be longer, you cut it and make it longer. When I initially started this project, I thought I was just going to be able to sew these. I did these little tassels, if you can see, like little fringe strips, I should say. Initially, this is how I cut them, but I soon realized that I actually wanted just individual strips, and you'll see why. At this point, I decided that my sleeves, quote unquote, were too long, so I cut the length at the bottom of the length from my top and made them shorter, as you can see here. So they're much shorter, and that's going to benefit me. Now, when I started this project, I wanted to sew these down. I made these strips and I pinned it, and I said, okay, we're going to sew these down and we're going to sew it all over this. I realized, however, that it's not necessary to sew this project, but we'll get there. So at this point, I was sewing it down. So if you did want to start it off by sewing it, you can, but it's not necessary. I would also suggest cutting a whole bunch of strips in advance. So after I realized that I didn't want this like whole strip, I end up adding them individually. Y'all, this was so much better. You would think it takes more time, but it actually doesn't. So if you cut your strips up and just glue them, listen, it will save you so much more time. I do believe you can use fabric glue for this. However, I wanted something strong and quick, so I chose hot glue. And I liked doing it with the strips that I can cut up because I can control what colors go on what part of my jacket. And I didn't have to fill up the whole jacket with strips and strips and strips. And you'll notice what I'm talking about as I go through this project. Since I had cut up a lot of strips in advance already, I still added these to like the sleeves of my top, but after I used all of these, I end up doing them individually because it just saved me so much time. So you can do this method. I feel like both methods work, but I found that cutting them in individual strips and gluing them like that instead of doing like a whole like long strip all in one piece was easier for me. I was able to adjust the strips how I wanted them. I had more freedom. And as you can see now, I'm adding like light pieces in one area, some darker pieces in the front. And this is how I just start layering. And little by little, you just add the dark pieces, the light pieces. There's no rhyme or reason if you want it to just be like that ombre look. You also can do the tear method. As you can see, when I tear them, it's a little bit more distressed. So you can cut them and they have more of a clean edge. You can cut them and then rip them, and it gives you more of a like distressed edge. This project took me about 2 weeks because I have a whole full-time job and I was taking breaks. But as you can see, just little by little, as you layer, it starts to just turn into this masterpiece. Is it heavy? Yes, it's heavy. So I suggest you wear this where you know you can take it off and have something under it. But overall, I love this top. I have so many compliments on it, and I plan to wear it for ages because I know this is a piece that's going to last me. What do you think? Would you try this?